a lot of us just miss the money memo, and that's okay, but here we are now, and we're gonna learn together. My name's Brittany Planos. I manage the financial literacy program, and I work at Union Bank and Trust. Our mission is that we care about our customers, our community, and each other, and I think that the financial literacy program completely embodies that. I partner with nonprofit organizations to deliver financial literacy classes and workshops that are a free service to the community. Topics include like budgeting, banking, how to build credit.
Girl Scouts, our mission is to build girls of courage, confidence, and character who make the world a better place.
They all say that they want to know more about financial literacy, whether that's budgeting, affording college, and Brittany teaches them all of those skills.
We're there right alongside our nonprofits, helping them fulfill their mission. And so I think that financial literacy is always one of those pieces that seems to touch a lot of other areas of well-being.
I think it's extremely important to have financial literacy here at Lighthouse because otherwise these youth wouldn't have the opportunity to learn a lot of the information.
The Bay is a youth-serving organization. When Brittany comes in and gives our financial workshops, she really focuses in on those areas that she knows are impactful for our students at the time in their life.
Financial literacy was always thought of as something that should be maybe taught at home or maybe taught at school. And UBT is saying, well, what about banks? How can we be part of that solution?
Having a trusted adult help them figure out what they can be doing is something that's needed for them. I think she's very passionate about the work that she does, and she does a very good job of making it fun.
Brittany is always patient with them. She answers all of their questions very thoughtfully.
Brittany is so open about her own personal story, and so she comes at it from a place where I think the students can see themselves, and she just makes it so accessible.
My family very much struggled, and so I left home very, very young, and I've been on my own for a long time. I found a really safe harbor with my teachers, and I stayed very involved in school, mostly to avoid the problems that were happening at home. Getting involved in education, I really feel like it saved my life. There's been times where everything I've owned has fit in my car. I want people to know that they're not alone in that, and that, poverty isn't a choice. Money's confusing, finance is confusing. It's okay to be upset, and it's okay, you have somebody who's in your corner, I'm gonna advocate for you. I'm an educator at heart. To see somebody, where something clicks and they feel a little more hopeful, that's really empowering. That's a big part of why I do what I do.
I see them have that light bulb moment while they're working with Brittany.
The kids start to recognize her, and that's also a big aspect of, oh, okay, I know this person.
And so they can really process those skills, apply them to a situation in the moment, and realize that they can be confident.
It's really neat to see people feel less scared, and it's almost like, the curtain's been lifted of how processes work.
All of the different skills that we talk about during the financial literacy sessions is something that they're going to take away with them for the rest of their lives.
I've been broke and I've had no money, and it's like, who am I to teach others about their finances? And I have to remember, I'm the perfect person to teach others about finance.
What UBT and Brittany provides for our students is life-changing. It is amazing for these students to be able to learn these things and take that for their future.
I think the days that you have those moments, you're like, gosh, something I'm doing is working here. Something's making a difference, and that's really special. There's just no words